The good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 6 from verse 43 to verse 45. One tree and its fruit. Good tree no bear bad fruit, and bad tree no bear good fruit. You can know one tree sake of the kind of fruit we bear. People no pick pranganat off a maca tree and grape off a maca bush. The good man do good sitting sake of the good we store up in him. And the wicked man do wicked sitting sake of the wickedness we store up in him. Cause what come out of him mouth are whether in him heart. Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.